Oof, that was risky. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at CTSR, Circuit Teleguide St. Roch. We're at the Roch 2024 On-Road Carpet Championship. We're gonna go to F1. I am starting BQ and F1. So the car has been pretty good. We just went through 4 qualifiers over the last 2 days. We're just about to head into the mains now. The car has been very reliable. I've just kind of been playing with my driving and my gearing, and I'm really kind of nursing this car through with things that I have. So these tires are really worn out. These are the CRC blacks, but I've just been repairing the sidewalls as they've been cracking out. But tread wear is getting pretty thin, but it's holding on, and I just have to get through the main left, and then there's one more club event, and then the season's done, and I'll buy new tires for next year. The downside to this car, as strong as it is, the downside to this car is how heavy it is. The minimum weight spec for F1 is 1050 grams. As it sits when I put the battery in, this car weighs 1120 grams. And it's gotten heavier through the event because I've had to add some reinforcements like that nut going through the wing because that's stripped out. And I cannot run a lighter weight battery because the way the battery mount works on this Roch, those support struts for the battery sit in the higher position, and if you want to put in a 4000 milliamp lower end battery, it'll slip under it. And you cannot flip that brace to the bottom side because they chamfered the mount, so it won't adhere properly. You could try and shim it up with foam pads and stuff, but I also didn't bring my lightweight battery with me. Anyway, we're gonna go out in the BMAIN with the F1, the Roch Rapide F1 Evo 2. Let's do it. Also, I'll just give you a quick view of the track layout. So straightaway, full straightaway, you're going to come down, you're kind of rolling off power, high speed sweeper, you're going to brake zone into here, you're trying to tuck this in nice and tight so you can straight line through here, accelerate, you're kind of letting off, and then you're trying to go through this as unsettled as possible. You're kind of accelerating through here and come around, brake in the corner, fix your tank, and you're back on the straightaway again. All right, here we go, BMAIN F1, BQ coming out. I prefer, I'll come on the side, yeah, thank you. All right, practice laps, F1B. That's right. We're our friend John here. Hey John. Hi. Oh, hi. Very good.
Excited to be here?
Very excited. It's a great place to be. Yeah.
Do you have any strategies in particular for the race?
Just try and stay clean because I'm the heaviest car in this grid, so I gotta stay clean to stay ahead of them.
Stay in between the board, right?
Yeah, exactly. Thank you.
À vous, Jim. Merci, Jim. Et en première position, John Kennedy.
Thank you.
So everyone is
all right,
ready?
Here we go.
In less than 5.
All right, got it clean. Second is reeling me in. Got away.
Donc after 1 minute of racing, John in front of François, Alain, Élie et à l'intérieur. Donc la voiture aux couleurs Red Bull en tête, suivi de François, la voiture rouge.
Board touch there.
Patrick aux couleurs de Audi, Rémi aux couleurs de Ferrari et à l'intérieur, le couleur d'Aston Martin.
I made a mistake there, I forgot. Brake entering the sweeper instead of at the exit.
Jean-François, Alain, Rémi et Alain.
Low in that corner. Too far in. Oof, that was risky.
Hurdle. Fashion Rémi. One minute 30 left. John in front of François, Alain, Rémi et Alain.
Almost crashed there.
Tremblay. Seconds, 45 seconds. John in front of François, 3.8 seconds.
3.8 second lead. Less than a minute to go. Oh, thank you. One. Oh, I got clipped.
Rémi, John,
All right. Did it? Oh, I think that's my fast lap. Yeah, 11.69. All right, pull it off. Good race, guys. That was pretty clean.
So, here will John, our winner, for the one.
Yeah.
John, seems like your strategy paid off, right?
It did. I had a couple of board touches, but they didn't crash. It came close a couple times, but held them off. That was great.
You had a really good race, so was it worth the drive? That's the question.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. You should come here, even if it's twice as far as where I come from. Yeah, definitely.
Thank you so much. Back to you, Jim.
All right, guys, that was that fun. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.
Les gars de Touring, Bud, Adrian, Monsieur Bryce.
is a great one with the Roch Repeat F1 Evo 2.
Hey guys, let's practice
I
now.
can even hold my finger on the motor for a while. That's pretty good. It came off. I did gear down. I went down to a 2.7. I was playing with 2.6 FDR earlier, and it was better with 2.7. I left stage through the end of that race. I was able to keep my time fairly consistent.